Russian name, author, writer, pronunciation, how to pronounce in Russian. Alexander Solzhenitsyn. Alexander Solzhenitsyn. English pronunciation, how to say Alexander Solzhenitsyn. Russian name, author, writer, pronunciation, how to pronounce in Russian. Alexander Solzhenitsyn. Alexander Solzhenitsyn. English pronunciation, how to say Alexander Solzhenitsyn. Russian name, author, writer, pronunciation, how to pronounce in Russian. Alexander Solzhenitsyn. Alexander Solzhenitsyn. English pronunciation, how to say Alexander Solzhenitsyn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.